We got a truck wrecked off here. We got to try to get it back on the road. About six trucks up here now. Oh my goodness. Trying to help somebody get unstuck, get stuck ourselves.
Might as well get one of these guys.
Y'all bring a sleeping bag?
Come on.
Good thing I pulled out my camera. Laugh at this later. Laugh at it now. Yeah, that's not really good. Nice. All right, let's get another one up here. Let's just start the train.
He's going to do his truck, I guess.
You want a commentary on that one, Chris?
Hit a rock, bounced off. I'm in a predicament that I really don't need to be in with this heavier truck and a bunch of Toyotas.
We'll check out the damage up here. All right, so we're trying to pull this one up. And we got this one stuck.